When it comes to backyard grilling, the Char-Broil Pro Series with Amplifire technology 3-burner propane gas grill is a standout choice for both casual and experienced grillers. With its innovative features, durable construction, and impressive cooking technology, this grill is designed to make outdoor cooking more efficient and enjoyable. Let's dive into the details and see what makes this grill a worthy investment. Design and build quality. One of the first things you'll notice about the Char-Broil Pro Series grill is its sturdy construction and well-thought-out design. The grill features heavy-duty materials, including porcelain-coated cast iron grates that provide excellent heat retention and are resistant to rust. This ensures longevity and makes cleanup easier after cooking. Additionally, the oversized side shelf provides ample space to keep your grilling essentials handy, making food preparation more convenient. Innovative cooking system. The highlight of this grill is its Amplifire cooking system, which is designed to eliminate flare-ups, distribute heat evenly, and retain the juiciness of your food. This means your steaks, burgers, and vegetables will be cooked to perfection without the worry of excessive charring or uneven temperatures. Even if you are new to grilling, the technology helps ensure great tasting results every time. Versatile cooking options. The modular cooking system sets this grill apart from many competitors. Not only can you enjoy traditional gas grilling, but you can also transform the grill into a griddle for a different cooking experience in under 90 seconds. The cold-rolled steel griddle surface offers even heat distribution, making it ideal for cooking breakfast items, stir-fry, or smash burgers. Additionally, with the purchase of the optional gas 2-coal charcoal tray, you can convert the grill into a charcoal grill for that authentic smoky flavor. This versatility makes it an excellent choice for those who love experimenting with different cooking methods. Cooking performance and heat distribution. With 3 burners and a 25,500 BTU rating, this grill heats up quickly, reaching 500 degrees Fahrenheit in under 10 minutes. The even heat distribution ensures consistent cooking across the entire 412 square inch primary cooking area, which is large enough to cook up to 25 burgers at a time. The additional 160 square inch warming rack allows you to keep food warm or cook using indirect heat. Whether you're grilling meat, seafood, or vegetables, this grill delivers excellent results. Ease of use and assembly. The grill is designed to be user-friendly, making it a great option for both beginners and experienced grillers. While some users mention that assembling the grill can be a bit challenging, once it's set up, it's smooth sailing from there. If you prefer hassle-free assembly, opting for professional setup services can be a great choice. Customer reviews and feedback. The Char-Broil Pro Series 3-burner propane gas grill has received a 4.3 out of 5-star rating from 42 global reviews, indicating overall customer satisfaction. Many users praised its cooking performance, heat distribution, and griddle size. Here are some highlights from customer feedback. Excellent service and setup. Customers appreciated the timely delivery and assembly services, with some mentioning that Amazon took care of the entire setup process, including removing their old grill. Superior heat and cooking performance. Users noted that the grill heats up much faster than previous models, producing excellent grill marks and evenly cooked food. Versatile and compact design. Families found the grill to be the perfect size for their needs, while party hosts enjoyed its multiple cooking options. Some assembly challenges. A few customers found certain screws tricky to install during assembly but stated that the final product was well worth the effort. Price and value for money. Currently priced at $515.40, the Char-Broil Pro Series grill offers great value considering its advanced cooking technology, durable build, and multifunctional capabilities. While it's not the cheapest grill on the market, its performance and longevity make it a worthwhile investment for grilling enthusiasts. Final verdict. If you're looking for a high-quality propane gas grill that offers versatility, even heat distribution, and user-friendly features, the Char-Broil Pro Series with Amplifire technology is an excellent choice. The ability to switch between gas grilling, griddling, and charcoal with an additional accessory makes it a standout option. While assembly might require some patience, the overall cooking performance and durability make it a great addition to any backyard. For those interested in purchasing, check out our video description box for exclusive discounts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and grilling tips.